So this is the little apartment I've secured in Konkan, and it looks like quite a well-to-do little complex of King Kon's, or Konkan, sorry, elite. Shower, bathroom. It's quite a small place, but the apartment complex is really, really nice. Smallest balcony I've ever seen. So this was $50 a night. I could have got cheaper elsewhere, but I just want it clean, man. That's all I want. Clean place. It's got a gym, it's got a pool. Not that I'll ever fucking use the gym. There's a gym in that building across there, if you can see. All you can see is reflection. But quite a big sort of apartment complex.
A few moments later.
You're goddamn right I did!
Okay, so that's basically how I fix and fasten my bag to my bike. four or five cables, and I'm about to depart Konkan and head up to Udon Thani now, up near the just short of the Lao border. If you go a little bit further, you head into Nong Khai, so I'm not quite going that far. I don't have much footage of Konkan, as I was here for 3 nights. The first night I rocked up and I couldn't be fucked making any footage. The second day I was in most of the day in the hospital waiting room getting chest x-rays and shit done for this bronchitis I've developed. Third day, of course, I went out that night. I was in the hospital and really hungover, so I spent absolutely all day in the bed yesterday. I think I got up at around 8 PM to go get some McDonald's and then crawl back into bed. So no footage of Konkan. So I'll just grab some footage when I head into Udon Thani. Hopefully I can be bothered. Cheers.
What are you doing, step bro?